So just continuing our email series, which is getting to a few more emails than I thought, comparing our product up close, because so many customers say, oh my gosh, I can't believe how beautiful they are in person. Way, way more beautiful than I thought. So I thought I'd try to create more of a up close and personal effect as much as I could, focusing more up close to get like a much better effect. I might leave that one with the dark colors, I think, in the next video. So what I've done here is I've gotten sort of a medium across the board range of colors in the crystal range. So here we've got the orange copper, which I'll show you better in a minute, the raspberry crystal, the red, and the teal, which we're going to discontinue, I think. So if you're interested, you should have a look at that. The sea green and the peacock, which is our latest, most different addition to the range. Meanwhile, not released yet, but will be coming in around August, will be the blue shade, which is very much the same kind of crystals and effect as the peacock, but more in a blue. So just waiting and waiting for them to arrive. Now, the orange copper, this is divine. This has got like a metallic effect. Some parts of the crystal are solid and some parts are see-through and opaque, as you can see there. So what's beautiful about this is the metallic effect has only been applied to part of the crystal, not all of the crystal. What I mean by that is, say for example, when I show you the sea green, see how it's all the way around. Differs in color, but all the way around each and every crystal. The orange copper is like, see this? Translucent here, and then more solid on the other side, creating a really, really amazing effect. Okay, so whether it's on the skin, whether it's on white, whether it's on black, I'll show you in the box how it looks. Divine. Absolutely beautiful, really effective. Now, then we've got the red. Now, the red crystal we've had since the beginning of 10-way time. It's a solid red color, really fantastic, beautiful deep red. Solid all the way through, no effects, no washes. It's just a straight crystal red, which beautifully still has a fantastic sparkle and luster. As you can see, maybe luster is not the right word to use for crystal, but this is really, really lovely. And just to show you up close, it's a great red. Lots of women that I've said, I love red, but I can only wear a certain red, they like this red. So here it is on the skin, on white, and on black, which is lovely. Really effective, red and black. Showstopper, truly amazing. Then we've got the teal. The teal is beautiful. It's more of a translucent crystal. Really, really pretty. Look at that, so nice. A sort of like a medium depth of darkness to this color teal. And look at that, so nice. Great sparkle. And you can wear it on, you can see it now here on my skin color, pops on white. Really, really nice. And when it's on black, really lovely and subtle, but still giving enough color to create an impact. Then the sea green, which I showed you briefly before. I could have put this in the darker range, but it's like not quite as deep and dark as, say, the purple and the sapphire. This crystal has an amazing golden effect to it. Look at this. And it changes. It's got blues that are highlighted, the green there, the golden. It's a little bit of a chameleon, and that's why I called it sea blue, because it's hard to pick one particular color on this. Stunning, love it, one of my favorites. It's been amazing. This is what I would call a metallic crystal with a metallic effect. So this is beautiful on the skin, on white, and on black equally as wow factor. Really, really, really pretty. So nice. That's the sea green. The raspberry next. Wow, this color has been wildly popular. It has an ever so slight white wash over it, slight. So you can see it's got like a milky kind of effect to the crystal. You'd almost call it metallic, but it's not solid, it's not translucent, and it still has a little difference in effect. So the wash isn't all over one particular crystal. It falls at the back and at the front, creating a beautiful, very, very subtle, uneven effect in the color. Love that. Love that. So, and this has just been amazing. Looks wonderful. You can put it in the red family. You can put it in the pink family. It's just divine. So, and here it is on the black inner box. Beautiful. Lovely. And last but not least for this video, we have the Peacock. Oh my gosh. The Peacock range has been phenomenal. This color is a chameleon in itself. It's so different on so many levels, and let's just start with its ability to become a chameleon. I should have called it chameleon actually. It's got a green, purple, one side is solid, the other side is see-through. So it's got a metallic and transparent effect to it. Then it's got, so you see, look at this, it's got golden running through it as well. Then the actual crystal itself that this color effect has been applied to is a gray. So it's got a warmth to it, a coolness to it, green, purple, orangey, golden, and it's truly amazing. Plum, see this kind of plum color here? And it's been wow. Nothing like it. Oh, and on top of that, the shape of the crystals are completely different to anything else that we've ever done before. On the connector, which forms the bracelet, you've got beautiful faceted cylinders, okay? And so they can move. We've put a little tiny inconspicuous bead in between each one so it can curve to your wrist. And then the 4 mil is what's called a butterfly crystal, which is so different. So as you can see, the colors just go beautifully, continue on. This effect continues on right through the 4 mils. And these butterfly crystal, it's a concave top and bottom. So each one fits like that. It's just amazing. So here it is on the skin. See the gray coming through? On the white, you get a bit more greeny purple. If I wore more of a purpley color, it would bring that out in it. It's just incredible. Oh, look at that. There you go. I'm so glad we finished on the Peacock. It's been amazing. So next video, I will be showing you the darkest of our crystal range.